In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very cute wall hanging using the MDF board. So in this project, I have used MDF board and Fevicryl molded air dry clay and acrylic colors. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. We will take our MDF board and then cover it up with a layer of gesso white using a paint brush. After it has been covered up completely, we will allow it to dry out completely. After drying up, we will draw the outline of our painting. We will use the Fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the ingredients together in equal amounts to form a white colored dough, and take small portion of the air dry clay and give it a shape of a pebble and stick them on top of the face of our outline in this manner and slightly tap them at the top portion to flatten them. We will similarly make the balloons. So take small pieces of clay and give them shape. Stick them on top of the outline. Let our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours, and when it has hardened up, paint the clay portions white. After it has dried up, we will start painting on our work and give it a very cute look. So painting is based on your imagination, so you also paint your work, and in the meantime enjoy this video and I will meet you at the end of the painting. We will slowly complete all the detailings of our painting and then let it dry out completely. So our painting is now completed. It is ready to be used as a wall hanging. You will have to attach a string at the top portion through the 2 holes that has been made. I made the holes using a driller. So tie a double knot at the back side and cut the extra portion of the string, and our beautiful wall hanging is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, share it fullest, and please subscribe to my channel.